Welcome to the Joris Ide Business Portal, your gateway to quotes, orders, invoices, product information, and more. You can access the business portal from your desktop or on the go using any Android or Apple device. Just search for Joris Ide Business Portal in the Play Store or App Store. Wherever you are, it's your all-in-one hub for managing your business with us. To get started, head to the customer portal of your country. For example, in the UK, go to business.joriside.co.uk, or in France, business.joriside.fr. If it's your first time here, choose Create an Account. Fill in your details, including your customer number, and submit the form. You'll receive an invitation via email in one business day, and from there, you're ready to log in. Forgot your password? No worries. Click Forgot Password, enter your email, and follow the link in your inbox to reset it. To change your browsing language, locate the language selector in the top right corner of the screen and click to open the language dropdown. Simply select your preferred browsing language from the list, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page, your central dashboard. From here, you can access product catalogs, your quotes, order tracking, as well as invoices and billing history. Let's explore each of these features. In the Quotes tab, you can search and filter your quotations using the fields at the top of the page. In the quotation list, you can access active and converted offers. You can download each quotes individually or export an overview of all your quotations using the Excel icon. In the Order section, you can also search and filter your orders using the fields at the top of the page. In the Order list, you can access active and past orders. To see the order detail, click on the View Details link corresponding to the order in the last column. This opens the order detail page. On the order detail page, you'll find key information like the order reference, status, payment terms, order date, and delivered volume. You can also view the delivery address, the scheduled delivery date, and the contact details of the Joris Ide sales representative who handled your order. Further down the page, you'll see an overview of the products in your order, including the ordered quantities, number of packages, and availability dates. And at the bottom of the page, you'll find related documents, including the order confirmation, invoice, and delivery slip, ready to view or download. When clicking on the Search Labels button, it opens the labels associated to your order, such as CE labels, pack labels, and DOPs. In the Invoice section, you can search and filter your invoices using the fields at the top of the page. In the Invoice Overview list, you can access active and past invoices. You can download invoices individually or export an overview of all your invoices using the Excel icon. To explore our product catalog, click on the Products link in the menu and choose a category or subcategory. You'll be taken to a product list where you can narrow down your search using characteristics and category filters. Select any product to view its full detail page. At first glance, you can see the product description, an image gallery, and the contact details of your Joris Ide sales representative. Clicking on the View in 3D button opens an interactive visualizer, letting you explore the product from any angle and preview it in different colors. The product detail page lets you view technical specifications and download related documents, including drawings, data sheets, brochures, and certificates. At the bottom of the product detail page, you can see a selection of similar products and compatible accessories. The My Company page allows designated users in your team to manage access rights for their colleagues. To get there, click on your account icon in the top right corner of the portal to open the submenu. Then select My Company. In the My Company section, you control what other users in your organization can access. Permissions are managed at the user level, meaning you can define exactly what each person can see, whether it's just orders, invoices, quotes, or a combination. Need someone to manage other users as well? Simply assign them to the B2B admin group, giving them the ability to adjust permissions for others. Once your changes are made, don't forget to click the Save button. And if you'd like to add new users to your company's portal account, please contact your local sales representative. And that's it. The Joris Ide Business Portal is designed to simplify your workflow, give you fast access to important info, and help your team work more efficiently. Whether you're in the office or on the go, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Log in, explore, and make the most of your partnership with Joris Ide. For any questions regarding the use of the Business Portal, please contact our dedicated team at digital.support@𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗃.com.